I have reached Matthias Mero in Finland. We are excited to involve more Scandinavian jury members this year, and so I will ask him about his expectations from Golden Hammer. Hi Matthias, great to see you.
Hello.
How do you feel about coming to Riga to Golden Hammer this year?
Well, of course, it's always nice to come back to Riga. Actually, I was just visiting there yesterday, and been there many times. So very nice, cultural capital of Europe, and beautiful old town and nice terraces. And of course, very nice to meet new people in the Golden Hammer.
Oh, it's nice to hear. But what will you evaluate the most in the entries that you will receive in your jury? And how will you describe the winning projects and what is essential to win the Golden Hammer?
Well, usually best cases are, of course, well thought from top to bottom. About the favorites is, of course, difficult to say because I haven't seen the entries yet. But usually I ask myself this question that how does this work solve the targets or the client's problems? So results are very important to me. If the results are great, then we can focus on the execution and the creativity and all the finer details. But results.
Okay, that's fair. Thank you. It was great talking to you, and we will be pleased to see you in Riga in June.
Yep.
Thank you.
See you there.